In front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for one-hand shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of your little screen, use this icon below the X one on the right or on the left. If you wish to go back to the standard size screen, click on this X, or go back to tab menu and tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!